Hello all and welcome back to the channel.
Yes, welcome back. Today, hang on, my bad.
Pause,
Yeah,
rewind, alright go ahead.
You may remember a couple of weeks ago we did a video on the T02 AMG GT3. Well, this is the same T02, we've just put a Corvette shell on it now, just to spice things up, you know.
To reaffirm what Charlie said, it's Tamiya. We did go for a run with it and we tried to drift it, didn't work.
So now, we're going in a new location, gonna get some cones out, try drifting, got same tyres, new shell, and let's get into it.
Alright, also quick congratulations to Charlie, because last week he had a video and I was not here, so poor him. But he did very well.
Thank you.
Go back and watch it, RB10, it was a speed video.
Yeah.
Moving on now, let's go. We've not been here 30 seconds. He's already knocked a cone over. Nice Corvette over there. Huh. You keeping yourself warm, are you?
Yeah, my ankles are cold.
Right, so we're off and about. It's a bit bumpy at this location because there's stuff all over the ground. But at the moment Charlie's going to get a few... Oh, the colours in frame, I apologise to everyone. Now, I personally don't know that much about drift cars. Charlie, on the other hand, knows a bit more than I do. What can you tell us?
So this is not the Drift Spec T02. This is just a standard racing one for 1/10 touring. And so it doesn't have diff lock. So it is loose diff. So the drifting will not be as smooth as it could possibly be. As you saw there, how it kind of got stuck for a moment. That was because all the power went to one wheel. So if you're going to turn a stock T02 into a drift, get the diff locker. I know, yeah, racing do some good ones. And also the other thing is, because it's not a designated drift car, its steering isn't as good, so it doesn't steer as far and get as smooth a drift. So that's just something you've got to keep in consideration if you want to get a normal T02 and do drifting with it.
Okay then, that was very well done. Smart. Very smart. Okay, so Charlie has drawn up a nice track. We're going to now walk it. So here's our start line with the Corvette already there, or the Mercedes, blah blah blah. Go around this one. Question is though, can he get from there, there goes the cones, wind's blowing him, all the way to here, going through this course, with his cred. Now it is time to see. Alright, we're timing it. On your marks, get set, go. He's off. Around the first one. Around the, oh, he's gone wide. Really wide. He's come back in now though. Oh, he's taking a cone! That gives you an extra 3 seconds, just so you know. 3 second penalty, yep. Isn't it? Well, that looked like another one he's hit, but I don't think it was. Oh, that was another! That's 6 seconds now. He's really, he was doing actually quite. And there's a finish. What?
26 seconds.
26 seconds.
Yeah, it's not bad.
32 seconds.
Well,
He's not too happy with himself.
right, we'll try this again.
I think you'll find he's better at his
Tom
practice.
Can have a go and see how hard it is.
That's not a good idea, I don't think. That's a bad idea. I think you should have a hard fine. Jeez. Now the thing is, I don't ever drive these cars. That's my excuse.
He's making excuses already.
Yes, I am. I'm being prepared, you know. Better be safe than sorry. Alright. 3. You timing yourself again?
Yeah, I'll time it again. 3,
2, 1, go.
Can you restart that, please?
Nope. Go on. Okay, fine. Restart.
I am restarting that. Cut.
Just, alright.
Camera.
Right, we're back on. Fixed the code. What a silk. No, I'm kidding. Just so you know, this means if I mess up, I can have a redo. Good. Alright, now get out of the way. 3, 2, 1, go. Did you start the timer late?
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
You said.
Okay, guys, you see that there? How the car kind of swung around and stopped? That was because of the non-lock diff. That's why it swung around, because one of the wheels lost drive.
Remember, everyone, he's still on a timer.
Yeah, well, you know, I was being edgy in the case.
Aww.
We will restart that.
3, 2, 1, go. Take 3. He's off. Solid start so far. Wide once again. He might have been that hard to beat, actually.
I think I did the first one pretty well.
Oh, did you go knock around the cone there?
I don't know.
It's another 3-second penalty. We're coming with speed though, jeez. Oh, he came with speed. I'm not sure if actually. I think I may not have done that on camera at the end though, because I was too looking at the actual car, not the camera. So, well, just so you guys know, he came in really fast. He came straight through there.
Perfect drift through the finish.
Yeah.
Sideways.
I'm not sure if I got it though. Another cone you hit.
No, that was already moved from the wind.
Okay. So here's another 3-second penalty. What's the time at?
That would have been 25 then.
31 seconds.
Right.
Second better.
One more attempt, then we'll give Tom a go.
Finally.
And you can feel how hard it is.
3, 2, 1, go.
And then start the timer.
Oh. Take 4. 3, 2, 1, go. Maybe it's 5 now, actually. Let me know in the comments, please. I actually don't know what it is. I don't think I'll be editing this video. We'll see what happens though.
Oh, that corner gets me every time.
Oh, this is the driver. Oh, yeah, the cone you moved!
No, I didn't move it out of the way though.
Okay, true. It's still touching its square. Oh, that was lucky. Might be his best one yet. Oh!
24 seconds.
24 seconds!
I'll take that. 24 seconds, not bad. Alright, your turn.
Great.
3, 2, 1, go! Smooth start, wide around the first corner like I was doing.
Oh no!
Spun out in the same spot I spun out. Good smooth run so far.
Very wide there though.
Get good speed down the straight. Yeah, sorry about that guys, I actually cut the camera when I was meant to cut the stopwatch.
Ah!
So, I looked at the stopwatch though and it was 24 seconds.
Ha!
Cut the line, so.
But I did, yeah, cut the line.
Oh, I hit the cone.
That's true.
If it was on camera.
I get multiple runs. Oh, it's not on camera.
20 seconds. 27 seconds he hit it.
No!
You said you hit it.
I didn't hit it.
It's on
What are you on
camera
about?
now.
I get another run.
2 more attempts and we'll see what we can do.
I'm ready.
So am I. I'm not actually. Ignore that.
No, hold on, look at the sky.
We did that earlier, but we weren't filming.
Take 2.
And go. Might just follow the car for your guys' convenience. Ooh, 23 seconds.
Da 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 da!
One last attempt.
Funny how the person who never drives one of these just bet the person who does.
Hey, I never said I was good at it.
That's true, that's true.
Ready?
I've got a hidden talent.
Perhaps.
You gonna time it or not? Yeah.
Want me to time it?
Yes, please. I want to see if I can get better now.
Alright, ready? Spaghetti! Who doesn't love spaghetti though?
Oh no! No! Restart, restart, restart.
And goal.
Not going to talk about that.
See, there it is again, guys.
Restart, restart, restart.
Another one of those moments where, because of the no diff blocker, it spins out.
One last try.
So if you want proper drifting without any of these little kinks, get a proper TTO2 spec, or get those Racing. I'll put a link to in the description down below.
If you couldn't care less, then go with this.
Yeah, like we can't care less.
Whoops.
3-second penalty.
Now we restart that, by the way.
Final attempt. 3, 2, 1.
Go!
Go.
So it turns out Chai might not be able to, you actually might not be able to hear Chai. He's been waffling the entire time. Thing is, I'm wearing the microphone and he's standing, as you can see, well, the other one obviously, he's walking with the camera, so it's yeah, well. Hope I did it alright. What's the time?
Hang on, calculating.
What do you mean? What did you not do?
23 seconds. So I didn't stop the time from earlier, and I looked at the time when it started and not the time when he finished. So I calculated it. 1 minute 47 to 2 minutes 10. 23 seconds. Quick math.
I'm confused by where you got that from. Just slightly. So you didn't time it?
I did.
In your head?
No.
How?
23 seconds.
And how did you come to that conclusion?
Through my watch and timing.
We'll take 2-3 seconds in. That's what we got in the first run, whatever it was.
Right. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget, like and subscribe.
We will see you in the next one. Yeah, let us know in the comments how many runs Charlie had, because, well.